We're gonna look at this crazy computer. I've never seen anything this crazy before. It is huge. This is from Digital Storm Desktops, okay? And it is the heaviest thing I've ever lifted as a computer case. And it's glass on two sides, okay? This thing is crazy heavy. It's like steel all the way around. Except the two sides. Okay, so yeah, let's take a. I'm gonna give you the specs on this. So let's see. It has a Ryzen 2600X, and then has a AMD A320M hard drive or power supply, and then SSD 500 gigs, and then storage 2 terabytes, and then yeah, has a 1050 Ti. Okay, yeah, let's take a look at this. Like, here is the hard drive mount or motherboard mount is totally weird. Totally weird. I don't know why they did it that way, but yeah, we'll take a look at it. So yeah, this glass is freaking. Here, let me show you a 22-inch monitor. Here's a 22-inch monitor, okay? Look at that. This thing's so huge. Like, it is so heavy too. It is crazy. Here's the computer I just barely finished building. Okay? This fits an ATX in there. Look at that. Like, it's like so freaking big. It's like, what the fudge? And it's like minimum specs. Or maybe back then, I'm not really sure. There's so many fans in this thing, dude. It's like, oh. This is like a screw mounts for glass. Let's see. It's gonna take a while. But yeah, this case is nice, but it's so heavy. So yeah, okay. There's the back. This glass is like, oh, it's heavy too, compared to the other like cheap other computers I've been building. It's like, oh my god. Okay. Let's see if I could turn it around. Cool. Okay, so yeah. Here's the fan controller. Keyboard management's crazy though. 2 terabyte. There's a fan. I don't. Why is there a fan there? What is it supposed to do? I don't get it. It turns on. There's a power supply, extra cables, and let's take a look at the top. Here is the top. Okay. USBs, USB-C, SD, reset, and power supply. So yeah, the top. Let's take a look at the other side. Let's go to the front. Won't even fit on my table. Here's the front. Nothing. A vent. And the logo. Oh. There you go. Okay, let's take a look at that. Other side. What's so different about this motherboard is it's faced upside down. Yeah, mounted it upside down. And this computer cost like what, 1,500 when it came out. And it's like, what the fudge? Okay, yeah, cool. And then the company's pretty big and expensive. So here it is. I don't even know where to put these glasses. Oh my gosh, it's so heavy. I want to break it. I hate tempered glass. Okay, there it is. There's the inside. Oops. So yeah. Let me see, get a light. And yeah, look at that. This is like MATX motherboard. See, look at that. There's a fan that goes that way or something. There's the processor. There's the memory, power supply, etc. Okay, so let's see. GPU. So the air blows down, hits this, and it goes that way to go out, and it goes this way, and then goes back up or something. Since heat rises. So yeah, that's crazy. And then 3 fans in the back or the front. I don't know what you're trying to cool over there in the back. Maybe the CPU. What is facing the CPU? How the fudge do you get that out? I don't even know how to get. And then it says that brand or model. And then there's hard drive mounts. These are cool hard drive mounts. Okay, let's see if I can pull it out. Yep, you put it in there and you just slide it in. And let's take a look at it. Cool part is, look at that. It's all in there. You see it? There's a plug in there already. So you just put the hard drive onto the thing on the rack, and then just slide it in, and then plug and play. You don't even have to plug it in. You just take it out, slide it out, and slide it in. That's the cool part. And I'm not even sure what would you do over here. What would you do over there? But it is huge. I mean, with a bigger motherboard, that's about it. And then something. This company builds like big freaking computers and stuff. It's crazy on how expensive their stuff is. But it works. It's for high-end people. Put it in, back in. This case is crazy. I don't even have to put it in. You just slide it in. Yep. And let's take a look at the back if I could get to it. Probably not. Without busting it. And there is the back. There's a power supply. Motherboard. Graphics card. And extra room if you want. And a fan that goes this way. So yeah. There is my look at the Digital Storm computer that I just got. So what do you guys think about it? Like and subscribe. What do you guys think? I've never actually seen this company before, but yeah, this is crazy. And you want to see the, oh, I gotta show you the freaking case that it came with. It's even bigger. Oh my fairy god. And heavy too. Okay. Here's the case that I got shipped in. Yeah, it's bigger, like crazy. So let's see if I can even show it to you. Let's get this out of the way. Oh my fairy godmother. Oh yeah. Here's the case. Digital Storm. Where's the case? Look at this. Made in the US. Let's see if there's. This is warning. Before you turn on the computer, please remove unique Digital Storm packaging material inside. Okay, let's look at this packaging material. The seal is broken. Don't do stuff or something. It has a bag. Dude, it has a bag. And then look at that. There's a mount for inside the computer itself to have it not move around while being shipped. When the graphics card be launched off or something, or disconnected or something. So yeah, it has its own bag. I didn't even know it had its own bag. It's huge. What would you do with this? Damn, what do rich people do? It's like, what is this? even bigger than the case. Oh my god, yeah. It's cool. Like and subscribe. See you guys. Thanks for watching.